Today we're going to be taking a look at an 8x10 area rug. In this video, I'm going to give you an up-close look of this rug and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video, however, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This does have a non-slip rubber backing. It's so large, you should enlist the help of a second set of hands to lay this out because it is very large and heavy. Now that almost the entire tiny house is carpeted thanks to this one rug, we can take an up-close look at it. So the pattern on this is really, really beautiful. The fabric is different than most rugs that I'm used to seeing. It doesn't have a pile at all. It's very, very thin. One of the tests that I do with all new rugs is the vacuum test, because a lot of new rugs that get sucked up in the vacuum, even ones that are not super powerful, like this stick vacuum. I was pleasantly surprised to see that the rug did not get sucked up. Even though it is thinner, because it doesn't have a thick pile, the vacuum does not want to catch on it. If you're looking for a new area rug that is large and looks really nice and also vacuums really easily, I would not hesitate to recommend this one. I really, really like it.